Welcome to this new episode of The Feature. I'm Ian, I'm the solution architect at Secutix. In today's episode, we'll look at new ways of operating the resale platform. Whether you need a classic secondary market platform or a tool for your season ticket holder to release their seats, we have a solution. Let's get started. So we have now two types of resale platform. The first one is a ticket marketplace, which is our legacy way of working. It's a classical, peer-to-peer resale where the reseller defines the price, of course, within the boundaries of what's defined by the institution. And on the other side, we have the new way, which is the seat release. And this new way, the reseller does not define the price. It merely releases his seats to be resold, and the price is defined by the rate tables, similarly than in the primary market. The big advantage of this is this fluidity between tariffs. So you could have a reduced tariff resold at full price, for example, and the institution gets the difference. So first example will show you the classical ticket marketplace. So I go to my personal space and I can find all the tickets that are available for resale, choose which one I want, and in the next page, I'm able to define a price. Of course, again, within the boundaries, but I can change the price based on the original price and put them on resale. Now, once this is done, of course, then there's the second step, which is actually buying those tickets. And in this ticket marketplace, first of all, of course, find a show where there's availability, find the tickets that I want, and in the list of tickets, you will see that the tariff itself cannot be modified. So if a ticket which was bought as a reduced price is put on resale, it has to be bought also as a reduced price ticket. So you have to make sure that you're indeed entitled to get this tariff. Now, the second way is this new way, seat release. There's a few things that you can configure, like whether a tariff, the ticket can be bought at a tariff lower than the original price or not, and who has to pay the difference. But you can configure that, and in this particular case, the same way, you will decide which tickets you want to put on resale. However, you cannot define the resale price. It will be determined by your rate tables. So you put your tickets on resale, which is actually just releasing those seats for someone else to purchase. Now, when you're actually buying, again, you will find a match or performance that you want to go to. And in the list of tickets here, the main difference is that you can actually change the tariff, again, inside what is configured with your activity profiles on the usual things. And for example, if you're entitled to certain tariffs, you can select a different one, select it, and then go through the usual process. So the big advantage, in my example, I was allowing tariffs that were lower, but really the main advantage is if you had, for example, a season ticket with a reduced price, someone could buy it at the full price. And for the institution, of course, it's very interesting because the difference will be go into the pocket of the institution, obviously. So you have it here again. So those two ways of working with the resale platform. So maybe on one side, the classic secondary market is more maybe for a one shot with a super big demand, and you want to allow, offer this service to your clients to be putting the tickets on resale. And the other side, the seat release, maybe more for a sports club with season ticket holders, and you want to make sure that, for example, on the matches where maybe the demand is a bit lower, that you actually fill up the stadium and allow some people that are not season ticket holder to attend and make sure your stadium looks really good and full of people happy to enjoy it. There you have it. There's new ways of operating the resale platform. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.